Nike Sabrina 3 blueprint is set to launch on July 26, following the earlier release of the All-Star Edition on July 18. Featuring an icy glacier blue upper, crisp contrast stitching, and a translucent outsole, the blueprint design includes a striking pattern on the heel panel, symbolizing structure and vision. This colorway celebrates Sabrina Ionescu's journey and growing influence in women's basketball. Known as a trailblazer for the sport, Sabrina continues to inspire young athletes, and this third signature model reflects that legacy. Official images of the blueprint surfaced shortly after the reveal of the All-Star version, creating buzz among fans and sneaker collectors. Originally leaked in April, the Sabrina 3 collection is now making a strong retail debut this July. Priced at $135 for adults and $100 for grade school sizes, the Nike Sabrina 3 blueprint will be available on Nike.com and select retailers, perfect for athletes and fans who want style and performance combined.